All right, so let's put some of that information into action. So I'm just in ChatGPT's normal home screen, and I have ChatGPT 4.0 selected. And let's, for sake of this demo, talk about creating content for a social media post for our new offer for AI Club Society members, which is bi-monthly webinars. So I'm asking it to write that social media post, just kind of a general ask. And remember, this is my ChatGPT account, so it knows all about me, and I don't have to tell it too much about what we do or who I am. It's already trained. So this time, got a nice little post here, but it's also not really in my voice and not really using any sort of framework. So let's try to use that PAS framework and ask it to do the same exact thing. So it first wants to talk about what's the problem, um, how you're making that problem worse, and then what's the solution. So you can see it did a pretty good job of that. And then, like we talked about before, let's add some personality to it. Let's add some comedy to it. So I'm going to say rewrite this in the tone of Nikki Glazer and make it 20% funnier. AI is moving faster than your ex's rebound, and you're still watching tutorials. So this is using that same framework, but using the tone of Nikki Glazer and making it funny. So the problem, AI is evolving at warp speed, and you're still stuck trying to figure out what the hell ChatGPT actually does. You know AI can make your life easier, but between new tools, weird tech jargon, and the fear of accidentally creating a robot overlord, it's a lot. So I hope that didn't hit too close to home, everybody, but I think this is a good one. So the other thing that we talked about was just not taking the first answer. I still like this one, but it's a little bit long. So I'm going to say make it 10% funnier and 40% shorter. Because I don't like these really long posts. Nobody reads those. All right, so it's kind of just summarize that. And then, like we said, we don't want to, we've done all this work on this prompt to make it funny, and we're using this framework. So make sure to continue to make content using that same prompt tone and training to create something else. So in this one, I'm saying using the same tone and framework, create an email newsletter for the same thing to announce our new offer in AI Club Society, which is bi-monthly webinars. So it created this email and it looks great. It's using that same tone and framework as you can see here. And just a little plug, if you're not a member of the AI Club Society, please check it out. We have 8 different courses, over 100 modules. We do bi-weekly webinars. We have a great community, and new templates and tools are introduced every month as well. So the bottom line, AI is really only as good as your prompts. So start treating your AI prompt as an expert assistant and not some magic 8-ball that you're just trying to shake and see what comes out. All right, next up, we're going to talk about ChatGPT's new feature, which is tasks. So let's move on.